This week, we are going to take our reading time to talk all about asking and answering questions. We are going to practice asking and answering questions so that we can better understand things that we read and so that we can ask questions based off of what we read. Good readers ask questions, and that is what all of us will be able to do by the end of the week. The first thing we're going to do is look at this little poster. This poster tells us about questions. So it says during a story, readers answer questions and ask questions. Those questions oftentimes start with who, what, where, when, why, and how. Sometimes these questions have to do with what's happening in the story. Sometimes they have to do with what's happening in pictures. And sometimes these questions relate to your own knowledge. So right here it says asking questions happens at the beginning, middle, and end. So you can think about how does the character feel? What might the character do next? Also answering questions, the text must be used to find your answers. So if we're reading something and you ask, I wonder what's for dinner tonight, that does not refer to the story. We are only going to practice asking questions that are started with who, what, where, when, why, and how that are directly related to the story. During the rest of this lesson, we are going to talk about strong questions and simple questions. On the very next slide, you're going to be able to read this again by yourself.